Hey, what's up, you guys? So, I'm on my way to school now. I'm running really late, but I still wanted to film this. My makeup came out looking like ass. And anyhow, I have to go to school. I'm already running late, and my makeup came out looking like ass. I already said that. Anywho, I have to go. But I'll see you guys when I'm there. Isn't that just wonderful? Alright, hey guys. I'm at school now. I didn't really get to film at my house because, like, you know, like, it's weird, it's awkward, and especially with your neighbors there. Man, no. I look like Flashback Mary. Someone murder me. Yeah, my makeup came out like shit. Like, I've already said that like 8,000 times. It's okay. Anywho, I just got to school, and it's like, it's not late by any means at all. I'm just a weirdo who likes to Lord have mercy. I'm just a weirdo who likes to get to school early. Anywho, what am I doing today? I literally thought about what I'm doing in school, and I was like, wow. Mini panic attack. Today I'm doing a vlog, a college day in the life. This is already like 3 minutes long, and I have not even started. Should be nice. I have 4 classes today. I'm here from 10:30, and my last class today ends at 4:20, and then I drive home, and those are my Thursdays. Unless I have something else to do in the afternoon. Let me try and check out that guy in my rearview mirror. And he wasn't that attractive. I need to go, because I need to go catch the shuttle. Because you know what? I park really far. That's the thing. I park really far. And I need to go catch the shuttle, so I need to go. Anywho, I'll catch you guys throughout the day, through my classes. In between my classes, I probably won't be able to film during class. We got let out early, which is like actually super cute, good, and fresh, as my King James Charles says. There's so many people walking here. I feel so weird like filming. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, I look terrible. Girl, so do I. How are you today?
I'm good.
I don't know why today is like dragging on.
I know. I didn't even make it to my first class.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, this isn't your first class?
No, I've told you this.
You have history, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I know, I'm a good friend.
True.
Bye.
Bye, vlog.
Bye, see you in like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Who would you kill?
One person.
Okay, here we go. Is like a very tall person, very muscular, and let's say they're carrying a big backpack. The politically incorrect version of it is that they're very fat. You are not as big, okay? So you're not as big as the person. So you notice that if you do nothing, the train will go through and kill the 5. But if you push the large man, you know that the large man will be big enough an obstacle that it'll knock the train off the tracks. The large man will die, but the 5 will be safe.
Okay.
Questions about the scenario? You are physically able, all you need to do is just push. If you just push.
Just a mild show.
Imagine they're leaning over and they're enjoying the sunset. And what you can do is you can push the man, okay, and if the man lands in
like,
front
it's
of
just
the
their
5,
fate to
the
die,
train
like
will
before the
stop,
track.
the man will die.
Like that guy's just chilling, and like
If
the
you
other
do
ones are just like.
nothing, the man just enjoys the sunset and goes off on his day, and the 5 get killed.
I think I did the 5 guy.
The question is, do you push or do
It's
you
like
do nothing?
that ain't my business, you know. Like
And why?
I'm just chilling.
Uh-oh.
I think I would let the 5 guy.
Yeah, me too.
What do you do and why?
Because I can't
Any further
bring
questions
myself
of
to
clarification?
genuinely murder someone.
Notice all
Like, that
6
isn't
people
already,
are
like,
innocent.
screwed.
The 5
Yeah.
are innocent.
Yeah.
The man who's standing there is innocent.
They're all innocent. Who did
What
these
should
people
you
know?
do and why?
I'm going to kill 5.
You pushing a person will definitely stop the train. You pushing a person will definitely stop the train. You know it'll stop the train, it's guaranteed. There are no legal repercussions. There are no legal repercussions. You will not be criminally liable no matter what you do. The question is,
would you look at that? Hey, what's up, you guys? I didn't have a good day today. Today started off pretty good. That's the thing. It started off pretty good. And then now, as the day's ended, I'm just kind of like, ugh. And I'm not trying to say like, oh, I hate school, like, I want to stop going. No, I just wish it was a little easier. Love that for me. Love having an existential crisis right here on YouTube. It's just my head hurts. And I think I'm gonna go by Taco Bell and get some water because like I am dying. I've been dying. Hi, can I have 2 large waters with no ice? I'm sorry? No, that's it. I love Taco Bell water. I don't know what it is. Oh, that sounds gross. Like, let me go get some Taco Bell water. It does sound gross because it is. I hate Taco Bell.
There you go.
Hi. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Great day.
You too. Hey guys. Ew, the lighting's like horrible. Sorry, you guys are gonna have to bear it. I just got home and I'm so glad I went to go get the water because as soon as I got it, my headache went away. I still don't feel too well.